We do cleanups at least once a month. There's just an enormous amount of bottles, bottle tops, everything from toothbrushes, clothes, combs, and the amount of styrofoam. It's just revolting. It's filthy, it's unsafe, and it's unhealthy. I suppose I want people to start by putting the rubbish in the bin. If we don't pick any of that up, it ends up down here. I'd love to be able to take my kids down here and jump off, you know, the sea wall and have a swim, you know, and have a swim with lots of thousands of families across Western Sydney. So I think that's my vision. There's lots of creeks that I could just picture, you know, cleaner water and the ability for families just to be able to swim and enjoy themselves in the beautiful natural environment that we have, rather than having to travel a long way or go to pools to actually learn to swim and to cool down and have fun. Just by simply putting rubbish in the bin, it will make a huge difference to our river, making it swimmable again.